Ready to transform your agency from a whirlwind of tasks into a well-oiled, client-crushing machine. First, let's build your agency structure within Asana. Create distinct teams for each department, like creative, marketing, or development. This keeps communication and projects nicely segmented. Click the plus icon in the sidebar to create a new team and name it accordingly. Add relevant team members by inviting them via email. Now, for the bread and butter project management. Create a new project for each client account. Within each project, use sections or columns €, depending on your preferred view €, to represent stages like briefing, design, development, and approval. Supercharge your tasks with custom fields. Click on Customize, then Add Field. These are the secret sauce to tracking key information at a glance. Common agency fields include client name, project type, priority level, and due date. Visualize dependencies. Use task dependencies to link related tasks. This ensures everyone knows what to work on next. Avoiding bottlenecks. Simply click on a task, then click the 3 dots, then add the dependency. Never miss a deadline again. Utilize the calendar view to see all your project timelines and upcoming deadlines. Drag and drop tasks to adjust schedules as needed. Track your progress and identify roadblocks with Asana's reporting features. Monitor project status, team workload, and identify areas for improvement. With these tips, your agency will be firing on all cylinders, delivering exceptional results for your clients.